Welcome to Learning with Jess. Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from your Binance account to your Phantom wallet. If you have watched my previous video on what is and how to create a Phantom wallet, then you already know the pros and cons of leaving your crypto on an exchange. If you haven't watched that video, I will leave a video link in the description. Make sure to check it out if you don't already have the Phantom wallet downloaded, because you will need it for this tutorial. Let's go ahead and buy some Solana from Binance. I'm just going to put in a market order. Click buy. Now I'll go to my wallet. And here you can see that I have Sol in my account. To send funds, on the right hand side here, click withdraw. And here is where you're going to paste your Phantom wallet address. So open your Phantom wallet, copy your address, paste it here. And as you can see, it's automatically matched the corresponding network. And here you select how much you want to withdraw. This is how much Sol I have on my Binance account. I'll click max. This is how much I'll receive. There's a small 0.01 network fee. Click withdraw. Press continue. Enter the verification codes. Click submit. Withdraw request submitted. Great. Press complete. It shows you here at the bottom that the transaction is still processing. You can click on the transaction, and here you can see the status of your transaction. You can see here that the Solana I sent from my Binance account to my Phantom wallet should arrive at that time. Once the confirmation has been completed, I should have Solana in my account. You'll get a notification from Binance that the withdrawal was successful. Open your Phantom wallet, and you should see that the Solana you've sent has arrived. It's as simple as that. Now you should know how to send Solana from Binance to your Phantom wallet. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my latest content. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.